So you can come back here and you can take this panel off, take that back panel off, which I'll do right now. Or you could, right here's Phillips screws, and you could take that off. A 1/4" nut driver, real quick, it's real easy. Take a second. You can take the back off that way, but if you're working from the front and you want to take this whole dash off, you just go right here like this, gotta squeeze. Those are off. You slide it forward and it snaps off. Then, real quick and easy, take these off. Real quick and easy, like I said. All 1/4" nut driver is all this is. Take this off, just pull it right out. Go back to your Phillips. Hold it with one hand, kind of sandwich it. Take that out. This is the gear. Alright, flip it over. This cover comes off. As you can see, if you look in there, it's arced out. Let's see if the camera's going to focus. No, it's probably not. See how it's kind of black right there? Right here, those two contactors have arced out. So I went to the garage and I had some 100 grit sandpaper. I got some sandpaper, and what I did was, you can pull this straight out. It's not in a bind. You put the sandpaper in between where it's arced out, kind of put some pressure. See what I'm doing? In between. Put a little bit of pressure. And I'm just cleaning those contacts. And put it back together. This is a Whirlpool dryer. Back here, it's all 1/4". that you take all that off. I just replaced this heating element. This was 20 bucks online. Your timer is 60 bucks. You can find a rebuilt one on eBay for like 20. But if you have some sandpaper and a little bit of time, you can get it done. Alright, see y'all later.